Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. So I got this big pole barn building on my property and it's been a while and I decided to actually start renovating it. So this here I was using as a playroom for a little while. I had concrete floor, dusty, dirty, spider webs, and before I actually started using it, I had an issue in this back corner here with rainwater, and that's where all this rock came into place. I tried to do a French drain with the, what is it called, perforated pipes and all that fun stuff. It didn't quite work out, but my idea still worked with the rocks as far as drainage. And yeah, I'll give you guys a look real quick. So I had to do drainage, get the drainage right all the way from back here because I had water all through here, seeping into the building. I did this project last year with the rocks, so I had a whole year to see that no rainwater was coming in. May not be the prettiest job, but it works. All right, so I got the netting up now for the bay door here. Take a look at the floors. These are interlocking foam mats. Please don't mind the mess right now. I have children, you know, we'll make it neat. But anyway, the interlocking mats I got from Amazon. To give you an idea, this room is about roughly 900 square feet. So the boxes on Amazon, they come with 36 tiles. Each box was $100. I went through 5 boxes. So I spent $500 on the flooring here. Interlocking foam mats, okay? Back here, there used to be a whole, like a counter space, workspace kind of thing. And that's where most of the rainwater was coming in. I had took that all down with a sledgehammer, had to break it all down and everything like that. And then if you see here, all my little patchwork here, so I had to cut the wall open. See that? And that, I cut that all open and I just replaced it with material I already had. Again, not the prettiest, but hey, you know, I'm resourceful, right? Like, we use what we have. So yeah, I did all of that. And then as far as heating and cooling, and I also painted a little, give you a little idea. I did this whole section white over here. That's gonna be Santa's corner. Then over here, I just got tired and I said, you know what? I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna paint. Got some signs from New York City. Got some of the license plates up there. I'll fix that one. The temporary Delaware plate. Got Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York. Got some Brooklyn streets, Douglas Street, President Clinton. No parking signs. Got the TV up. And the way I'm getting my Wi-Fi, so if you see out the window, that's my house. That's where my Wi-Fi is. I'm using this extender here by Apum. And it actually came with this house. So that extender is probably from like 2019, but it works great. I get great service in here. And back to the heating and cooling. This right here, the 14,000 BTU Black & Decker from Amazon, and that cost me $400 on sale, original price $600. So what I did, I put it on top of this pellet stove, old pellet stove that came with the building, and I'm just using it for decoration, Santa's corner. What I did, I ran the chute all the way through here with a pellet stove with an exhausting out. There goes a nice little spider. We'll run into spiders here and there. But since I've renovated this room, no bugs are getting in. And yeah, even on the bay door, I got the kids drawing pictures on poster boards and putting them on there. So what I'm gonna do in this video, so this was just me showing you guys what it looks like after, and then you're gonna see pictures of what it looked like before. Yeah. Let me know down in the comments, guys. This was a pole barn renovation done by myself. May not be the prettiest, but I think it looks pretty good compared to what it looked like before. So let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think, guys. Like, comment, give me a subscribe if you will. All right. Enjoy the rest of the video. Later, guys.